My son Garen and I camped on the island last night. We've got a nice little bay out here that I've fished before. It's got some northerns, there might be a few bass in it. We're gonna head out in the canoe for an hour or two, see if we can catch some fish. I'll show you what we're using. I've got a Vexen spinning rod with pretty light line that I tied a 12-inch fluorocarbon leader onto the end, just in case we get into the northerns. With that rod, I'm going to use the new Tackle Industries Wasp crankbait. Haven't used it before, so I'm just going to try that out today. When we fish the deep edges out there, we're going to go with Berkeley flicker shads. They come down to a nice depth for those deep breaks, and sometimes the pike here will sit out in about 10 feet. You have to have a crankbait that gets down about 5 or 6 as you're bringing it across the edge. And then for panfish, like we did recently on the inland lakes this year, we're using Gulp, and this is the Gulp Waxies. The Waxies are the ones that I really like to use. So for the panfish, we're using these Rod and Bob's Revolution X bobbers. Really like these because you can switch them from stationary to slip bobber without cutting your line. And then we're going with Bait Rigs Tackle Company jigs, a smaller size. So we're gonna go out and see if we can catch something. I'm going to show you how I've got this Golden Hawk canoe rigged up. They make some really nice snap over canoe seats nowadays. There's buckles on the bottoms that go around the seat. They have a nice back on them. I'm probably going to get some of those for my next one, but for now I had these 2 kayak seats at the house, so I rigged those up. If you want to use a kayak seat, if you have one handy and you just want to throw it on your canoe, all you need to do is buy these clips from the hardware store, bolt those on, and then your kayak seat has something to strap to. I added an anchor cleat to the front, and then I use this fold-out canoe anchor to hold me in place. Tie that to the yoke, and then when you want to anchor, toss it over the side, hook it in the cleat up there. Now you may notice this is the front end of this canoe. So the way I'm using it, I'm fishing as if I would fish one person. And the reason I'm doing that is then I can have my son in the front seat facing me. So the whole time we're out there, if I need to tell him something or if he needs help with his pole, getting fish off, he's facing me, so it makes it easier for me to reach his line, take fish off, tell him to sit still, you know, the normal kinds of things you do in canoes. So that's how I've got this rigged up. Nice little one. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, there's one. Here, and it just took one cast.
Oh my gosh!
We got a northern now.
Oh my gosh, we got a northern.
We got a northern.
Come on, grab it.
Hold on. Can't get it yet.
Oh my gosh, it only took one cast. Maybe the northern lights being over here.
Yeah, this is a good spot.
The northernism is very long. Watch out, northerns have teeth. Watch out.
It's that flicker shad from earlier.
Well, Daddy, you have to watch out because northerns have teeth.
Yep.
Hey, he tried to jump back out onto our boat.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. A northern pipe.
Yep.
It's a northern pipe. Oh my gosh, it got us wet.
Did that get you wet?
Yeah, it got us wet. Come on, go quick. Go quick. It will
Okay.
stop.
You like that black flicker shad? Oh, that got me soaked.
Got me soaked.
Not you, me. Did it get you too?
Get it.
It's okay, I'm taking one of the hooks out first.
What? Oh my gosh.
It hooked itself again, I think.
It hooked itself again. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay. It's a nice one.
Nice northern. Oh, he's making this slimy. What's this tail? Oh, here comes it again, Dad.